Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. And this question is funny math question. And when you first scan this question, you look like that it's crazy. But yes, very crazy. And actually, you can use some very simple technique to finish this question. And first, you can see that numerator is a polynomial degree 3 and the denominator is also degree 3. We try to first simplify that one. Okay, for this one we have to use long division. We have to use long division and expand 8k plus 1, k plus 2 times k plus 3. Okay. That is k squared plus, for this two, k squared plus, let me see, k squared plus 3k plus 2 times k plus 3. And k cubed plus 3k squared plus 2k plus 3k squared plus 9k plus 6. And k squared plus 6k squared plus 11k plus 6. Oh, 6. It is same as this one, except that 7. Except that 6 and 7. Yes, 6 and 7. Yes, it's crazy. Therefore, we can see that k equal to n to 3n. This expression can be divided into two parts. One part is 6 plus 6 and the other part is plus 1. Then it can be separated into two parts. One part, it is so nice, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7. Yeah. And also plus 1 over k plus 1. K plus 1 times k plus 2 times k plus 3. Okay, this is 1. This is 1. And this is, you can see that there is 2n plus 1, 1. That means 2n plus 1 for this one. For the second part, k from 1 to 3n. And guys, you can use a partial fraction to partial fraction this one into 3 parts. One is a over k plus 1. The second part is plus b over k plus 2 plus c over k plus 3. And make the same denominator. You can get one identical equal to a times k plus 2, k plus 3 plus b times k plus 1, k plus 3, and plus c. K plus 1 times k plus 2. Okay, put k equal to -1. The left hand side is 1, and the left hand side you can see that 0, 0. That's only -1. -1 is 1, 2, 2a. That is a equal to 1 over 2. And put k equal to -2. The left hand side is 1. The right hand side is 0, 0. That is 1. -1. That is -b. That means b is -1. and put k equal to -3. 0, only this term, and -3 minus 1, that is -2, -3 minus plus 2, and -1, that is 2, 2c equal to 1. That is c equal to 1 over 2. Okay. That means this 2n plus 1 plus summation k from n to 3n. That is k plus 1, 1 over 2, minus 1 over k plus 2, plus 1 over 2 k plus 3. Next step, I express all those terms term by term. The first term is 1 over 2 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 2 plus 1 over 2 n plus 3. The second term, 1 over 2 n plus 2, 1 over 2 over n plus 2, and then minus 1 over n plus 3 plus 1 over 2 over n plus 4. Okay, we try to see whether there is a pattern or not. Finally, I got the pattern. You can see that, yes, this one, no, this one, these 3 are cancelled. Of course, next 3 terms, you can see cancel this. In other words, we have to write down the last 2 column, last 2 rows. Now the last 2 rows is 3n minus 1, 3n, that's 3n plus 1. The last 2, yes, no, not 3n, 3n minus 1. 3n minus 1, put the n equal to 3n minus 1, that's 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2. And the last one is 1 over 2, 3n plus 1. 3n plus 2, 3n plus 3. You can see that all those terms are cancelled. Only left is only this 3 term, and this 3 term. Okay. Now 2n plus 1 plus 1 over 2 over n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 2 plus 1 over 2 n plus 2 and plus 1 over 2 3n plus 2 minus 1 over 3n plus 2 plus 1 over 2 3n plus 3. Oh, you can see these 2 terms can be combined together to form minus 2 times n plus 2, 1 over 2 times n plus 2. These two terms also can be combined together negative 1 over 2 times 3n plus 2. And finally, the last term is 1 over 2 3n plus 3. I think the last step, we have to make a common denominator. And let me see. Okay, I finish it term by term. These 2 terms can be 2n plus 1 n plus 2. And n plus 2 minus n minus 1. Oh, that's 1. Yes. And that is, 2 times 3n plus 2. 3n plus 1. And this term is negative 3n plus 3 plus 3n plus 2. That is minus negative. That means it's negative 1. Okay, we here make a common denominator again. The denominator is 2 times n plus 1, n plus 2. Here is 3. Here is a 3 here. Therefore, I write this is 6. And also times 3n plus 2. The first one we have to multiply. For the numerator, the first term we have to multiply 3 times 3n plus 2. The second one is n plus 2. 2n plus 1 plus. That is 9 and 9 minus 1 8 times n 6 minus 2 plus 4. Okay. And yes, you can see that this is 3. And this is can be cancelled at 4n plus 2. The answer is crazy, very simple. And okay, I hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Math channel is useful, please subscribe my channel.